In this video, I'm unboxing the Dior's Natural Glow Ritual Holiday Gift Set, which comes in a limited edition elegant pouch in a box with the beautiful design of artist Pietro Ruffo and the signature of Christian Dior Paris. Dior's limited edition Christmas sets have always a luxurious packaging. It is an exclusive luxury gift that you can give during the holidays or to yourself. Wow, look at this gold makeup bag, which is a gift in itself. The pouch contains two beautiful golden charms. This set sells for €95. Let's dive in and unbox the Dior pouch. This gift set featuring the 3 essentials of a glowing Dior makeup look. First we have here the Dior Addict Lip Glow Lip Balm for radiant color in shade 001 Pink. This lip balm is formulated with 97% natural origin ingredients that subtly revives the natural color of lips with a custom glow for 6 hours and hydrates lips for 24 hours. The formula unique to Dior is made with natural origin ingredients infused with cherry oil. It can be worn on its own for a subtle custom color awakening effect, or it can be worn under the corresponding shade of Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. Next we have the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer Lip Plumping Gloss in shade 001 Pink. Dior Addict Lip Maximizer is the iconic Dior lip gloss, genuine hydrating and plumping lip care that delivers a maximum volume effect. Infused with cherry oil and hyaluronic acid. The last product is skincare. Capture Tot Ale Loose Serum Anti-Aging Face Serum for smooth, radiant skin 10 ml. A youth-restoring serum that corrects signs of skin aging, expression lines, wrinkles, and visible pores. This set is a luxurious way to keep your skin looking radiant and hydrated throughout the winter season. If you're looking for the perfect holiday gift for someone special, Dior's Natural Glow Ritual offers a truly luxurious skincare experience.